Hello guys and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to download Instagram videos on iPhone. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Go ahead and hop on to your app store and you want to search up for iStory for Instagram, and then go ahead and log in with Instagram, or you can also continue without login. So go ahead and allow the cookies and then log in. So once you have logged in, all you need to do is go to your profile. You'll see it on the bottom right, or you could also search up for other videos if you search up on the search bar above, but I'll just go into our profile here, and I'm going to go ahead and open up this video on the very top left, and you'll see an ellipsis on the very top right. So if I'll scroll all the way up here, click on that, and you can go ahead and download a video. So you can allow access, select photos, and don't allow. I'll just go ahead and click don't allow. But there you guys have it. That is pretty much how to download Instagram videos on iPhone. Now, I have cut the video there. All you pretty much need to do is go onto your photos. You'll see all your downloaded videos once you have clicked downloaded. I did select don't allow, but you don't need to do that, of course. Don't do that. You'll just say select photos, and then that's pretty much it. You'll be able to access the videos that you downloaded on Instagram. But as I said, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy and found the video helpful. If you did, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.